Hello everyone! In one of the previous episodes, we've built a Weber MCP server in Python with FastMCP. Today we are building the exact same server in Go and Ruby, just to see how all three languages compare. Same functionality, different approaches. Let's dive in. Here is our Python version from episode 7. FastMCP makes it incredibly simple. Just decorators, type hints and docstrings. About 200 lines of total for the 5 tools and 3 resources. Here is an example. Type hints become JSON schema automatically. Docstrings become descriptions. FastMCP handles all web boilerplate. As you remember, we have 5 tools: current weather, forecast, compare locations, temperature conversion, and rain probability, plus 3 resources with reference data. Now let's see how Go handles the same thing. Go is a different beast. It's much more explicit and verbose, but that gives you type safety and compiled binary. We are using official Go SDK, which at the time of recording has version 1.1. First thing you'll notice, Go needs explicit type for everything. Every tool needs an input and output structs. The JSON schema tag is only for the description. No required, no description equals syntax, just description text. And here is something important. In Go you must return a struct, not a primitive type like a string, even if it's just a wrapping text. The handler signature returns 3 things: the result struct, your output, and an error. And every error must be handled explicitly. The main function sets the server explicitly. Then we use add tool to add a tool and add resources to add a resource. Now with Go, you compile it once and get a single binary. No runtime needed. And configuration is simple. Just point to the binary, no dependencies, no runtime. It picks up our tool and there you go, the same functionality as we have with a Python server. Now let's check Ruby. Ruby takes a different approach. It's object-oriented with a clean DSL. Ruby uses gems, dependencies managed by bundler. Each tool is a class what inherits from MCP tool class. The DSL methods, tool name, descriptions, input schema make it really readable. Adding tools is straightforward, just pass the list of the classes. And here is how you define resources. The whole implementation is about 370 lines. It's a middle ground between Python and Go. More verbose than Python, but cleaner than Go. With Ruby, I configured the server slightly different. We need a shell wrapper with cd command, because bundler needs to run from this directory containing the gem file to fund the installed gems. And it works just like the others. Now let's compare. Python with FastMCP is about 200 lines, decorator-based, minimal boilerplate, best for rapid prototyping. Go is about 460 lines, struct-based, explicit types everywhere, mostly verbose, but gives you compile time safety and single binary, best for production systems. Ruby is about 370 lines, class-based, OOP, elegant DSL, reads almost like English, best for Rails apps and web integrations. Same tools, same functionality, 3 different implementations. And that's it, 3 languages, 1 protocol. That's the power of MCP. You can choose based on your stack: Python for speed of development, Go for production, Ruby for elegance. As usual, all the code you can find on the GitHub, and the link you can find in the description. Thanks for watching.